Hello teacher and partner, my name is Vanessa Tapia and this is my presentation about backformation. What is backformation? It is the process of creating a new lesson or new word. Describe the way certain words are formed and is either called back derivation. The backformation is a shortened word, such as edit, created from a longer word, editor. An edit means it's a process in which do you want to modify a document. An editor is the person who writes or edits a document. This is the difference between edit and editor. Another word is sing. Sing is backformation of singer. And sing produces musical tones by means of the voice. And singer, a person who sings, especially professional. The singer is the person who sings a song. This is the difference between sing. Another word is a laze. Is a backformation of lazy. And laze means past time in a relaxed, in the lazy manner. And lazy, unwilling to work or use energy. This is like imagine or mirror imagine that is a person that doesn't want to do anything. So this is a lazy person. Another word is enthus. Is a backformation of enthusiasm. So enthus express excitement about something or great interest. And enthusiasm, a feeling of energetic interest in a particular subject or activity. This is a similar different, but you can notice the difference. So this is another list of backformations. We can see a lot of a short part of the backformation because there are a lot of word that is created or formed by another word. So we can see in that list, for example, cheese, driver from cheeseman. Another is admins from admins. This is addict from addicted. So there are a lot of backformations that you can find or look up for in a website. The backformations has a specific function. A word that is formed from an excited word which looks as a thought and is derivated, typically by removal of a suffix. The backformations doesn't have a type. Thus, this is the general functions that has it. So teacher does all about backformation. So thank you for all. Bye bye.